again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. For the canvas, I obviously got schmutzy that is really ready to become whatever it's going to become. And I've got some beautiful colors that are already mixed up. And I don't think I need too much in there, but I want some green. And I'm not sure how I'm going to do my sky, but no matter what I do to my sky, it can be up there. So I think what I want to do is take a bunch of the white pearl from Anita's. No spatula handy, probably all in the bucket. I'm just going to take my finger and use all the paint I can get out of there. And then maybe even push it right over the side because I can. There, one side covered, two sides covered. Finger painting 101. Just using my paint up. So what else should I put in there? I think probably I would love to indulge myself in whatever comes to mind. And I need to grab an edge catcher, and I happen to have a small one. I don't know what it's going to look like, but I bet it's going to be interesting. So I'm just going to let all that color go down, and then I'm going to move my canvas down to where the puddle is and scrape it right up off the edge catcher. And then I'm going to be moving my paint into position with a straw. And a small Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, which is available on the Amazon link under the Linktree link under Show More under the video. My fingers are coming in very handy right now. Because it's the end of my day, and after this I get to clean up. Which is not necessarily my favorite thing, but it's got to be done. Coming back the next day and finding spatulas with paint on them, never good. So I like that color down there. And in there. And I could blow those clouds around a little. And I'm afraid I'm going to lose some stuff I like. I'm also afraid I probably have more paint than I need. But I think what I'm going to do is use it anyway. Want that to fill in. I think the same thing over here. Only I like that green up there, so I'm going to use it again. And I have a skewer that I like to use the blunt end of. And I'm just going to do a little mix, and I might even grab a clean skewer. Oh, yep. See how far that paint will go down before I add any more onto it. And any more paint that I add to it will flow more easily because of any paint that's on there already. And if it becomes mucky, I'll just put more paint on top of it. And I do have a bunch of muck. So let me throw some of the colors I had in here earlier. Just a little bit of this and that and the other thing. Mostly the other thing. The minty green from Folk-Art is a color shift. That's some pretty mucky paint. Whatever comes off of this that I don't like is definitely going to go into the onto the Lola-Free silicone mat that I make my skins out of. So what have I got? I've got some red opal, which is a lot like copper, and I've got some black, which isn't coming out, which means I could use purple, or I could just grab this other one that's I know is Anita's. And let's see what happens. Let's look for some drama. Now I like that, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it by turning the canvas around, throwing it back on the other side. And I happen to have enough paint stuck to my finger to cover a spot that needed to be stuck. And now I'm just going to go down with all of that. And the sky is moving. I got to beat the sky. And scrape that up. It's not easy, but you can do it. And I've got a little bit. Nope, not black. Wow, that was close. A little magenta. No, that black wasn't supposed to be in there. Schmutz, no schmutz. Alright, well, fingers remove schmutz fairly well. Take that green out of the sky. We'll just pretend those are trees up there. Throw a little tiny bit more orange in where I see that there's some canvas showing, and not worry about that, please. I've got a little more place. I've got a few more places I need to stick my finger in, and then I'm pretty much done for right now. I could put a waterfall in there. I've had another waterfall today. My other side's covered. This is dramatic. That's what I had in mind today. If I want to put a waterfall in, I'm going to do it right now. With what color? That one. Alright. I have some turquoise color shifting. There we go. And I'm not going to take a chance. I'm just going to put a drop of that. In my stream. Less a waterfall and more of a stream. Alright, so I think the only thing left that I want to put in there is the sun. Ha! Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, under Show More, underneath the video. Do I have any orange to use on my top corner? I do. I've used up most of my paint, which makes me happy. Always makes me happy. Not waste paint. And I've got enough stuff dripping over the edge to cover anything that needs to be covered. Even my top is covered. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I happen to know a burst of wind came along and whoops, I see that. See that place that is not a thing. It was canvas. I saw it. So I throw my tools and my toys in the bucket. Thank you guys very much for sharing my videos, for liking my videos, for watching my videos longer, for coming back and watching more videos on the playlists. There's 1,600 of them there. I am just winding the edge around, hoping none of that weird green color comes off in that sun, and it's probably fine. So I'll try and remember whatever I'm supposed to. Underneath the video is Teespring clothing, and there's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there. Underneath the video is my paint pouring recipe. Underneath the link tree is my Amazon link, where if you shop there it's at no added cost to you. If you want to help support the studio by contributing through PayPal or Patreon, there are icons not only on my channel header, but there's links under the link tree. And if you look for the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds of any one of my videos, you will find the prizes for that given month included in that exhibition video. I want a little bit more there. And I like it so much, I'm going to do it again. Like I said, less a waterfall, more a stream. But just a subtle little line. I could keep playing with this for a while. Be careful with a skewer in your hand. Because you never know, if you're not careful, where it's going to wind up. Alright, I like that, and I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you subscribed. And there's another channel called Phoenix Rising, Priscilla Batzell Art. I don't know how long it's going to be around, but it has no commercials, and it's my other channel. And there's some cool stuff there worth watching, for sure, until I remove it and put it back on this channel, because it's never been here before. Let me see what else I can remember. I said thanks for the thumbs up, and if I didn't, I should. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Can I have a thumbs up, please? Thank you for your wonderful comments. You keep my morale boosted. Thank you for all the donations that have kept me painting all this time. I really, really, really appreciate it. You know who you are. There's some special people right now who made sure that I didn't have to stop painting last month. And I want to tell you that I love you, and that it's time for me to go, because I can't remember anything else I'm supposed to say other than the community board has tomorrow's video on it. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. I should not have done that after I torched. When am I ever going to learn? Anyway, I wanted that in there, so it's in there now. I hope you come again. I hope that's in your vision. Maybe we'll zoom in for a minute and count off to 20 seconds. So if I run around the other side, I can probably find that card that went away. In the meantime, you can stare at that, and maybe you'll get to see it before the end screens. I found the card in the lizard. Ha! Oh yeah, I do sell my artwork, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill. Funny I should forget those things. I think other than looking at my Google business website and giving me a nice review, you're all set. So I will probably let you go now. Don't forget, PayPal and Patreon are the places to use if you want to make a donation. And I really, really appreciate your help all the time. Thank you so much. I'm so happy you came. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Hoping you can see that picture, because it's pretty cool. Thanks for joining me. I hope you join me again soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.